creators, it's Inspiring Vanessa here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and yes, we are back with a brand new iPhone unboxing video. You guys already know that the first video that pretty much got the most views on my channel was my iPhone SE unboxing video, and that went super popular and you guys really enjoyed that video. So now we are back with a much bigger update, the iPhone X, but it's not mine. It's going to be mom's. By the way, these glasses are not real. It's a fashion statement. I just quoted Tom Holland.
When I wear glasses, it's a fashion statement.
So we went out shopping today and I knew that my mum was due her upgrade, so I'm not going to be sticking with my iPhone SE. I'm actually going to be going to an iPhone 7, and it's got much better storage than my actual phone does currently. So you just need to change the phones and everything, but I knew that I just had to do this unboxing video to show you guys the phone, and you guys are going to see my live reaction. You can see that the wrapping paper is still on it, so this has not been opened. Neither me or my mum has actually seen the phone. So let's just get straight into this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So before I do get into actually unboxing the phone, I just want to tell you guys a little bit of information about it. Obviously everybody knows about the iPhone X, and I think Apple is coming out with a brand new phone, I think around September time. We don't know what it is, but I know that I'm probably not going to be getting it because it's like way too advanced for me to even understand. But I have seen people use the iPhone X, and I know that it doesn't have the home button. So I was telling my mum that you're going to have to get used to it because there isn't going to be a button to always click on. You're going to need to swipe up. And then I'm probably the back, it's got 64 gigabytes. My phone has 16 gigabytes. And it's currently at 15.8. As I was saying, it does not include AirPods. So if you guys have seen maybe on TikTok or any other apps, I've seen people saying that they found AirPods at the back of their phone box. That's not true, just a disclaimer, no shade. But they do not come with AirPods. Obviously you need to buy AirPods separately, but they do come with the normal earphones like most iPhones do. So now let's get straight into it. So we just take this little piece and just... Oh, ASMR. Oh, that's so smooth. Okay, then we take it out. Okay, got some lovely matte finish. iPhone, Apple, phone. Okay, so this is the first reveal of the phone, I'm pretty sure. Unless there's going to be something on top of it, but I'm pretty sure that it should be the phone when I first open it. So let's get straight into it in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Apple, for the big reveal. Thank you all for watching. I'm really joking. Okay, so now it says designed by Apple in California, and now we're going to click the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at her. So this phone is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a little bit gutted that it isn't going to be mine, but I'm still going to be using it a lot even though it's my mum's phone, and I just was making her aware of that when we got the phone. So now if I just take off these little plastic pieces, pretty sure that comes off. Wait, we lift it like this, okay. So now if we lift up the phone. Oh, so we've got the black phone, by the way, because it wasn't actually available in the UK. I don't think Apple is sending over or making the silver ones for the iPhone X anymore, because a lot of people are now buying the iPhone XR, which I believe is a little bit bigger as well, which is a little bit crazy, or it just has more features, I think. So now if we lift this off, this is my favourite part of unboxing phones, is that it has that really nice clean finish. Let me make sure that this doesn't slide out my hand. Oh wow. Another ASMR. Oh, and another. Oh, that is so satisfying. So obviously the phone isn't going to be turning on, it needs to be charged and have a SIM card, and obviously all my mum's stuff should be backed up on the phone. So I'm not going to be showing you guys the features that it has on the iPhone X, unfortunately, because we need to sort everything out that's going to be on the phone. But if you guys would like an iPhone X update, or basically me testing out what it can do and the camera quality and the, I'm pretty sure it's called Animoji, and making my own Animoji, I will do that video if you guys comment it down below and request it. But here is what it looks like inside. A lot of people thought they might be AirPods, but they are the normal earphones, and it obviously comes with the plug, so I will do that. But we were also out today getting phone cases for my mum's phone, which is going to be my phone soon, and we were also buying it for this phone. This is what the case looks like, and it's got a little glitter around it. It's a little bit like blurred in the middle. So let's try it on for the first time. Oh. 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 So as you guys can still see in the case, there is the plug as usual, and then it has the earphones, and this is an adapter for the headphones as well, which is really easy and really good. And then it has the charger at the back, our wire, and I don't think there is anything else at the bottom. Sometimes it opens, sometimes it doesn't. That's pretty much everything that is in the box, apart from like the stickers and all the instructions and information about the iPhone X. But I'm pretty sure now we've all kind of figured out how to use phones, so I don't think many people will read this. But if this is your first time getting an Apple phone, then this may be useful. But otherwise, use the stickers wisely and enjoy your brand new phone. So now it has come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, peeling off the plastic to reveal this beautiful phone, and also just being able to reveal it and see it very close up for myself. I cannot wait to be using this, even though it's my mum's. Hello mum, I'm going to be using your phone, okay? Also, if you guys like to have an iPhone X of your own, don't forget to like this video and also comment down below what kind of phone you have. Do you have an Android, Samsung or an Apple? Me and my mum have always had Apples because it's just much easier because everything connects. So we have a Mac, we have iPads, and we obviously have the iPhones. So having everything Apple is obviously much easier, and it's always been our favourite thing. And pretty much everything we've always had anyway. But don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and don't forget to go and check out my past unboxing video of the iPhone SE. So that video will be in the I button in the corner over here or over here. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.